line a tray with the sheet you had marked out earlier. Make sure that it's firmly stuck down using some of the mix to pin it. This will help it from flying around in the oven. It's important now when piping to curl off at the end. If you watch the technique, you can see that as I pipe down, I quickly whip the top of the nozzle round over the macaron shape, and the tail goes thin, so then you can move on to the next one without any dripping. That way you can allow to form the nice round macarons that you desire. Once you have all your macarons on the tray, I always find it's a good idea to bang the tray a couple of times just to raise any air bubbles out of it. Then it's important to leave them to air dry so that they start to form a sort of skin. You know they're ready when you can just touch them and the memory flex comes back to them. So you just touch them and they seem to spring back. That's pretty much it. At this point, you would then put them into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 160 degrees. And then when they're cooked, just turn off the oven and leave the oven door open. Leave them for about an hour. That way you'll still have a kind of spongy sort of feel inside, yet crunchy on the outside, which is the desired texture of your macaron. Good luck and thank you.